Ever wondered what healthy snacks you can munch on throughout the day? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of nutritious snacks that can keep you energized and satisfied all day long. We all know that the snacks we choose can make or break our dietary goals, so it's crucial to opt for choices that not only tantalize our taste buds, but also fuel our bodies with essential nutrients. Stay tuned as we explore some of the best healthy snacks you can incorporate into your daily routine. First on our list is the versatile and tasty nut and seed mix. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, and a slew of essential vitamins and minerals. They're little bursts of energy that can keep you going throughout your day. From almonds to walnuts, pumpkin seeds to sunflower seeds, there's a world of variety to explore. Each type brings its unique flavor and nutritional profile to the table, allowing you to mix and match to your heart's content. Sprinkle them over your breakfast cereal, toss them into a salad, or simply enjoy them as they are. A little goes a long way with these nutrient-dense snacks, so remember to practice portion control. A handful is usually enough to satisfy your midday cravings and keep you satiated until your next meal. So next time you're looking for a quick snack, reach for a handful of mixed nuts and seeds. Craving something crunchy? Try Veggie sticks with hummus. This snack is not just satisfying to the taste buds, but it's also packed with nutrients. Raw vegetables are a powerhouse of vitamins and fiber. They're low in calories, yet they fill you up and keep you satisfied, making them a great snack for those who are health conscious. Now let's talk about hummus. This creamy dip is made from chickpeas, a type of legume that's high in protein and fiber. It also contains tahini, a sesame seed paste that's rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. When you pair raw vegetables with hummus, you're getting a well-rounded snack that's high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. So the next time you're looking for a snack, skip the chips and reach for some veggie sticks and hummus. Not only will this satisfy your craving for something crunchy, but you'll also be nourishing your body. Veggie sticks and hummus, a delicious and healthy option for any time of the day. For a sweet yet nutritious treat, consider Greek yogurt with berries. Now, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. It's also packed with probiotics, which are beneficial for your gut health. On the other hand, berries, whether they're blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, are nature's candy. They're not just deliciously sweet, they also come packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect your body from harmful free radicals and support overall health. So, you see, combining Greek yogurt with berries creates a snack that's the perfect balance of sweet and healthy. You get the creamy richness of the yogurt, the natural sweetness of the berries, and a powerhouse of nutrition in every bite. It's a snack that's easy to prepare, perfect for on the go, and versatile enough to enjoy at any time of the day. So when your sweet tooth strikes, remember Greek yogurt and berries. Now let's talk about a classic snack pairing: whole grain crackers and cheese. This duo has been a go-to snack for many, and for good reason. Whole grain crackers, unlike their refined counterparts, retain all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means they're packed with fiber, helping you feel satisfied longer. But that's not all. They're also rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. On the other hand, cheese brings its own set of benefits to the table. It's a great source of protein, which is vital for our body's repair and growth. Plus, it's loaded with calcium, supporting bone health. When you combine these two, you have a snack that not only tastes great, but is also well-rounded nutritionally. You get the complex carbs from the crackers and the protein from the cheese, providing you with sustained energy. Whole grain crackers and cheese, a tasty and balanced snack option. Last but not least on our list are smoothies. The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. You can load them with an array of fruits, vegetables, and proteins, tailoring them to your personal taste and nutritional needs. From a simple banana and yogurt blend to a more complex mix of kale, blueberries, and chia seeds, the possibilities are endless. Smoothies offer a quick and easy preparation method. With a good blender, you can have a nutrient-rich snack ready in minutes. And here's the cherry on top: you're consuming a wide variety of nutrients in one go. Imagine getting the benefits of spinach, flax seeds, and strawberries all in one gulp. Smoothies can be a great addition to your snack rotation, providing essential vitamins and minerals while keeping you full and satisfied. Remember, a well-blended smoothie can be a powerhouse of nutrients and a delicious snack. So, what's the takeaway from our snack exploration? In our journey through the world of healthy snacks, we've explored a veritable banquet of tasty and nutritious options. We started with the humble nut and seed mix, a powerhouse of protein and healthy fats to keep you fueled and satisfied. Remember though, moderation is key here as they are calorie-dense. We then dived into the crisp world of veggie sticks and hummus, a snack that's not only delicious but also packed with fiber and essential nutrients, making it a great choice to keep the hunger pangs at bay. Next, we indulged in the creamy delight of Greek yogurt and berries, a snack that serves up a healthy dose of probiotics and antioxidants, making it as good for your gut as it is for your taste buds. We also discovered the simple yet satisfying combo of whole grain crackers and cheese. This snack offers a great balance of carbohydrates and protein while also providing a satisfying crunch. Finally, we blended up some smoothies, a versatile snack that allows you to get creative with your favorite fruits, veggies, and even some protein powder. It's a refreshing way to get a nutrient boost any time of the day. To wrap it all up, it's essential to remember that the key to healthy snacking lies in choosing the right foods, ones that are nutrient-dense and satisfying. Remember, snacking is not a bad habit if you're choosing the right foods. Happy snacking!